Hi Julie, I had the bright idea of making a video that you can permanently refer back to, which should make things easier so you don't have to make loads of notes. Right, so the way it works is I'm going to email you what's called a site spinner file. And then what you're going to do is you save that file anyway. You save it to a folder, as I've done here, or you can save it to a desktop or wherever. You save the file, and then you save it anywhere, and then you click on it when you want to access your project. So we click on it, as I'm going to do now, and you'll notice, just for the first time ever, you'll notice that the images aren't there. There's a technical reason for it, I won't go into it, but basically to get the images back, what you do, just follow these steps. You click on Object, then Geometry, then, sorry, forget that. First of all, you highlight where an image should be, so let's click on this one. Then you click on, make sure that is highlighted, then click on Object, then Geometry, then click on New Directory, then you click on these three little dots, and then what you've got to do is navigate around your computer looking for a folder where the images are, because I'm going to email you all the images. So I'm in the My Documents folder on my computer. There's your folder, new website. So I've now found the folder on your computer where all the images are, and I just double click on any image, click OK, yes, OK, OK, and that's it. And now all the images appear. You only need to do this once, and then they'll always be there. Right, so let's look at what you can do. I think the first thing to point out is this little thing here. If you click on this arrow, this shows you all the pages of your website, and so you just click on the one you want and you can edit it. So let's click on the work page. So we click on that. Oh, we're already on the work page, as it turns out. So we're on the work page. Right, so this is the way it's put together. It's text and images. Now if we look at the text first, you can see all the text is in little boxes. Basically there's a text box for everything. Instead, if you move something and you wish you hadn't, if you click Edit, Undo, it goes back to where it was. So let's say you want to add another bullet point in this thing. You double click on the text box, and then you've got all your options: font size, bold, underlined, centered, whatever, bullet points. So if we want to add another bullet point, I would just hit Return, type the next bullet point, and then when I'm done, I click Save and Close, and there it is. The next one. Now you can see what's happened. That bullet point now overlaps the dotted line, so it's a bit messy. So what you would need to do if that happens is group a selection of things. So you kind of click your mouse button down, group a whole lot off like that, and then you kind of just drag it down a bit. And then same here as well, do that. Just drag it down, or you can use the arrow keys of the keyboard so it's a bit straighter. So then I can just position everything a bit more and kind of make space, as it were. And then now let's say we want to add some more text. So we've got all the text here, and we want to add another image and another bit of text. So first of all, the way Site Spinner works is to move anything, you just literally click on it and you drag it around. So if we want to add another image and a dotted line, this footer here is going to be in the way. So we would drag this down. Right, so we want to add some text, a new bit of text here. So what you do is you click on the little text icon, and the text box appears, and then you type your words. So we'll type something, and then again you can make it bold, underlined, whatever you want to do, and then you click Save and Close, and there's your bit of text, and then you just position that where you want it to go, basically. Now you might notice in some of the text, like here where it says sweat in the city and FAQ, those are links. You can actually click on those words. So let's say we want the word today to be a link, and when you click on it you go to Google. Let's say we want that to happen. So the way you do it is you click on today, you highlight it, which I'm not doing very well. There you go. And then what you do is you click on this little icon, and then you've got options. You have to say what type of link you want it to be. So we want HTTP. Then you type the website address where the link is going to go to. So let's do Google. And then that's the word, as it were. You don't need to edit that. That's the word that's going to become clickable. Although you can type anything and change it. Then you've got other options. Do we want the link to open up in a new window? Which you would do if it's a new website. You want it to open in a new window. Do we want the link to be underlined or not? Do we want it to be a different color? Maybe we want the link to be red. So you click OK. So now the link's going to be red. Yeah. So then you click OK. Then you click Save and Close. And there it is. This is our new bit of text, and that's a link. And now let's say we want to add an image here. You click on the little Mona Lisa icon, and you've got your file. Now the images you need to have pre-made these images. You can't make images with SiteSpinner, so you've got to sort out your images somewhere else. So for example, here is here's a nice little picture of you. So we click on that. Actually, that's now. See, that picture's too big. Instead, if you do something wrong, you can just press delete on the keyboard and it goes. So that picture's too big, but I think I've got a smaller picture of you. Yeah, that's a smaller one. So we click on that. That's perfect. And then we just drag these things where we want them to be. And then when you think you've got it right, you can actually preview the page. You click on that little icon up there, and that lets you see what the page now looks like. So you can kind of see the new bit of text, your picture, and if you click on the word today, that's a link. Right, so when you've done it all and you're happy with how you've got it looking, very important, go to File and click Save. Make sure every few minutes you click Save, because you don't want to lose what you're doing. And then that's it. So now the final stage, we want to upload this page to the internet. And the way you do that, you click on Publish, you click on Publish Project, make sure there's a dot in this bit here. Then you click on Pages, and you've got the option, how many pages do you want to upload? So we just want to upload the current page, although you can upload all of them, but we only want to do the one we're working on. Then you click on this, and you need to type certain things in these boxes, but because I'm uploading this video to YouTube, I'm not going to say on the video what you put in those boxes, but because I don't want anyone else to know. So you put certain numbers in these boxes, and then when you've done that, you click Publish, and it will upload your video. Your website, and then that's it. Then you go to the website, and you might need to refresh the page, and then you'll see it's changed. And that is pretty much it. So there you go.